Walking into the world of medical weight loss feels like stepping onto a moving train. You want results. You want them now, but you also want to feel safe. That is the core promise of the Juniper Weight Reset program. It is a system built specifically for women. It does not just offer a prescription. It offers a complete overhaul of how you track your health. Let's talk about the elephant in the room first. The cost is significant. You are looking at hundreds of dollars every month. For many, that price tag is a massive hurdle. It starts at about $30.49 Australian dollars. That covers your medication if you are approved. It covers the delivery to your door. You get a community of women to talk to. You get an app that feels like a command center for your body. If you want more, you can pay for premium plans or extra coaching. It is an investment in a full-scale support system. This is not for the person who just wants the cheapest possible access to GLP-1 drugs. If you want a bargain, you should probably look at a basic telehealth provider. Those places give you a script and let you figure the rest out on your own. Juniper is for the person who is tired of doing it alone. They include a Bluetooth scale. They give you AI-driven tools. They provide a private space to share the ups and downs of the journey. There is a consultation fee up front. It is around $89, but they refund it if the program isn't right for you. That takes some of the sting out of the initial jump. Once you are cleared, the medication arrives every 4 weeks. It is consistent. It is reliable. But you have to remember that these are serious medical treatments. You need professional oversight. Compounded medications are part of the conversation here. They aren't the same as the big-name brand versions in commercials. You have to trust the provider. When you compare this to a giant like Weight Watchers, the differences are clear. Weight Watchers has that long-term reputation. Their coaching is legendary. But Juniper feels more integrated. It feels like a modern tech-forward approach to a very old problem. You are paying for the convenience. You are paying for the fact that you don't have to source your own tools. It is all right there in the app. For some, that simplicity justifies the cost. For others, it is just too expensive. You have to decide if the extras are what you need to succeed. If the accountability of a community matters to you, the price makes sense. If you just want the medicine, it probably doesn't. It is a high-end service for a high-stakes goal. The choice depends on what you value more, your budget, or your support network. This program isn't a magic fix. It is a tool, and like any high-quality tool, it comes with a premium price tag. You have to be ready for the commitment. You get the medical backing without feeling like a number in a spreadsheet. Juniper tries to make the work a little less lonely. It is about more than just the number on the scale. If you are a woman looking for that specific kind of guidance, the value starts to outweigh the monthly bill. It is a specialized corner of the market that knows its audience. You have to weigh the financial cost against the value of your peace of mind. For those who want a partner in the process, the entry fee might just be the best money they ever spent.